Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera to lecturer and to my fellow friends. My name is Nur Azmida Naziha binti Nur Azrami. My matric number is DPC 09220214, and today I will present about description and active ingredient of cough syrup, is Hurits, Cap Gamat dan Madu Plus. We will get start from description of cough syrup Hurits. Basically, gamet is a possible marine animal with great food and medicinal value. In modern medicinal research has revealed that gamet contains nutrients that promote health and have vital application in medicine and pharmacology. Other than that, gamet is widely utilized in traditional Malaysian medicine, and also gamet formulated products with additional herbs are available. Okay, next we will talk about active ingredient that can found in cough syrups Hurits. Okay, first, sea urchin is a scientific name we called Stichopus japonicus selenca. Okay, second is Radix glycyrrhiza uralensis, and third, Flavon Eriabotria japonica. Fourth, Radix glycyrrhiza glabra extracts, and lastly is natural honey.
Sea cucumber have been used as a food source and medicinal ingredient in Asian and Middle Eastern countries for centuries. In fact, they have been fished from the Pacific Ocean for over 170 years. Sea cucumbers can also be eaten raw, pickled or fried. They have a slippery texture and bland taste, so they're usually infused with flavor from other ingredients like a meals or the seafood or spice. They are often combined with produce like a Chinese cabbage, winter melon, and shiitake mushroom. Sea cucumbers is also used in traditional Chinese medicine, where it's believed to have a healing properties and used to treat ailments like arthritis, cancer, frequent urination, and impotence.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Hakimah Najwa binti Rasli. My matric number is DPC 09220119. I'll be presenting indication of Hurits syrup ubat batuk, gamat dan madu. The indication of this medicine is traditionally used for reducing phlegm and relief for cough, sore throat, and body heated and cool. It means this medicine is to relieve the pain inside your throat. For the dosage, for adult, 50 ml each time. For the children 6 and 12 years old, 50 ml each time. And the last one is for children 2 to 5 years old, need to take 2.5 ml for time each. Thank you. It's all for me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Asmin Sindra. My matric number is DPC 092128. So, I would like to present about registration and legality. So, the MPRIA registration number is MAL 0504189 5PC. So, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum.